Hello, I just wanted to do an unboxing video of some items that I purchased from Gold Spot Pen. Alright, so I obviously cut this part out because I want it to be easy to unbox. Stop shaking. Open first. Let's see. This is pretty obvious. It is a glass dip pen, and this is in the color Sable, I believe. So it's like a nice amber color glass dip. This is my first one. I've never owned one before. So, and I mainly got it to test out inks because I purchased some sample inks from another business from Goulet, and they're like a tiny amount of ink. Obviously it's a sample. I mean, you're paying like $1 to $2 of ink, so it's not going to be like a generous amount. It's going to be like, you know, a nice size amount to just try out, maybe like one small writing session worth of ink. But for a lot of the pens that I have, it was just really hard to like fill the pens with the ink. I don't know, I just had a lot of trouble with them, so I figured it'd be a lot easier to just get a glass dip pen and, you know, use it for try out the color inks. Anyway, so the other items that I purchased was just inks. This is the Sailor ink that I got. It's in the color 123. And now this is, I made the decision to buy a glass worth of the 123 color because I had gotten the sample amount and I really liked it. So I decided to go ahead and purchase it. This is obvious for anyone who is into fountain pens. You guys know what this is. This is the Noodler ink, and should be the colorway of Army Green. Yep, sure is. I love the art on Noodler's inks packaging. Yeah, 3 ounces. I'm going to try that out. And then last, another sailor, and this is Amamoyoi. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. And this is like a nice, like, iridescent brown, like taupe color. Very elegant. What does this say in here? Oh, it tells you how to, yeah, and that reminds me, this reminds me, like, I purchased cartridges also in the past, specifically to be able to, you know, use a lot of the sample inks, and it was just really hard for me. I don't know if just I need more practice or what. It's just hard to fill a cartridge with. Okay, and this is just more information regarding the ink. Okay. See? It says don't do this, I'm guessing, with the X, right? And the triangle. Yeah, okay. Cool. So yeah, so these are the products I got, all with my own dinero. And I believe I made the purchase on Monday, I want to say. Monday or Tuesday. Monday night. And today is Wednesday, so really fast. But then again, I do live in New York, and Goldspot is located in New Jersey. So, all right, and then stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video doing some of the, just practicing with the glass dip. Might be terrible, who knows? Just to do a little sample of the different colored inks that I have, okay?